Doughnut Economics for Policymakers is a web-based guide designed for policymakers and anyone working in or with governments. This video will take you through how to best use it. The 21st century's rapidly compounding crisis, from climate and ecological breakdown to rising inequalities, are making one thing pretty clear. We need to transform our economic systems so we can meet the needs of all people within the means of the living planet. Doughnut Economics offers 7 ways of thinking that can help governments explore pathways toward such transformation. At the Doughnut Economics Action Lab, we have been privileged to learn alongside governments and their partners about how to put these ideas into practice. And here's one important thing we have learned. Transformation happens through 2 interconnected shifts. First, there are the 7 ways of thinking at the heart of Doughnut Economics, new mindsets that can guide the design of public policies and programs. With these mindsets, governments can identify policy innovations and good practices worldwide that help nations move toward futures where all people can thrive within the means of the living planet. Second, there's what we call the deep design of government, the internal culture, rules, and processes that either prevent or enable governments from embedding these 7 ways of thinking and translating them into policies and programs. Think of it like a tree. The 7 ways of thinking and the policies they inspire are the branches, leaves, and fruits. The deep design is the root system below. Each needs the other. Strong roots allow the branches to grow and bear fruit, signifying innovative policies and practices proliferating. At the same time, flourishing policies show what's possible, grow a wider movement for change, and send energy back to the roots, strengthening the deep design over time. Together, they create the conditions for real lasting change. So this guide invites you to explore both the branches and the roots. In Part 1, 21st Century Policymaker Thinking, you'll find videos exploring the 7 ways of thinking and how they apply to policy design. Each video comes with reflective questions to help you consider what this might mean in your own work. We have also gathered policy examples from around the world to inspire and illustrate how governments can put these ways of thinking into practice. When you are done exploring examples, just click the button to navigate back to the main guide. You will notice some policy examples appear under multiple ways of thinking. That's because in practice, transformative policies often tackle multiple issues at once. For example, making economies both more regenerative and distributive by design, while reducing dependencies on endless GDP growth. While all examples are currently organized by the 7 ways of thinking, you can also view them based on categories that may interest you, such as whether they have been applied by local governments or in the majority world. Part 2, Deep Design of Government, explores the internal change that help governments create conditions for new mindsets and innovative policies to flourish. There are 4 sections, each with 3 cards exploring different levers of government deep design. Click on any card to dive deeper. We invite you to reflect on why engaging with each lever of deep design matters and how it might enable or hinder governments in adopting different economic mindsets and policies. We've also gathered some emerging alternatives to inspire you, with links to other resources if you want to learn more. When you have finished exploring, just click the black button to return to the main guide. Part 3, Taking the Next Steps, helps you think through how to get started in your own context, and points you to additional resources and networks that might be useful. This guide isn't meant to have all the answers. It's an open invitation to reflect and experiment, to try things out and see what works where you are. We're also hoping it becomes a space where people share what they're learning, policy examples, tools, ideas that have worked or haven't. So have a look around, and if you have feedback, stories, or tools to share, We would love to hear from you.